They rolled on westward, and the desert sun became hotter and hotter as it rose over the West Texas skies. The train tracks stretched in front of them as far as the eye could see until they at last came to a fine point that disappeared over the horizon. Finally, in a northwestern direction, they could see El Capitan, as it is known today. The peak is located on the south end of the Guadalupe Mountains. As they came along near the peak, they could see a low, hazy outline of the Franklin Mountains. Their hearts soared because they knew they would soon be in El Paso and about halfway to their goal. As they approached El Paso, there was little contrast from the hot, dry, treeless desert they had been traveling since leaving the hill country around San Angelo, Texas. The historic old town of El Paso was quite different from any place they had ever seen. On the outskirts of town, the houses were built side by side along narrow streets. They were low and flat-roofed and built of adobe bricks. The doors and windows were painted with bright colors, and rows of chili could be seen growing in any available space. There were no big, beautiful lawns and very few yards. Along the reddish-brown Rio Grande, which wound through the town, salt cedar and occasional willow quivered in the light breeze and followed the river.